What would you pay to never deal with bed beard again? Seriously, imagine waking up to a beard that isn't spraying all over the place in a million different directions. How nice would it be to effortlessly style your beard in the morning and have your hair consistently cooperate and fall right into place? On top of that, what if your beard hairs could become softer than you ever imagined? And the way to accomplish all of this was so easy you could do it in your sleep. Does that sound too good to be true? Well, that's because you probably haven't experienced a quality leave-in beard conditioner. Beard oil offers hydration to the skin under the beard, and beard butter helps with styling and some conditioning for sure. But sometimes they just fall short, especially those of you with longer or coarser beards. Dry environments like we have here in Arizona definitely influence the issue as well, leaving beards rough, wiry, and uncomfortable. If you've ever found yourself wishing for a more effective way to soften your beard, leave-in beard conditioner is about to become your new best friend. And that's because of the power of overnight conditioning. Unlike traditional conditioner that you rinse out after a few minutes, a leave-in conditioner is, well, designed to be left in. And for the best results, it's applied and left in overnight. This means that it has hours to deeply penetrate each hair follicle, delivering intense hydration and nourishment where it's needed the most. By morning, your beard is not just softer, but noticeably healthier and easier to style. By now, you're probably realizing you've been missing out on a better beard and you're ready to give it a shot. But before you do, make sure you do your homework. Look for natural premium ingredients like jojoba oil, aloe, and murumuru butter to provide essential vitamins and nutrients that promote beard health, softness, and growth. The idea for creating a world-class leave-in conditioner arose from a simple realization. There just wasn't a product on the market that truly addressed the conditioning needs of beardsmen who struggle with dry, unruly facial hair. Being based here in Arizona, like I said, where it's about as dry and as hot as it gets, oil and butter sometimes just aren't enough. They really need a sidekick to really get the beard soft and manageable. So what do? We created Nightcap, a custom formula that transforms even the roughest of beards into luxuriously soft masterpieces. Using Nightcap just a few times a week will revolutionize your beard care routine. Say goodbye to rough, uncomfortable, itchy facial hair and hello to a beard that invites touch and admiration. One of the best benefits of Nightcap is its ability to tame morning bed beard. If you have a beard, you know what I'm talking about. No more frantic attempts to groom your beard into submission. With Nightcap, all you'll need to do is splash a little bit of water and a quick reset of your beard by kind of rubbing it through, comb it into place, and you'll be ready to conquer the day with a beard that's on point. And one of my personal favorite things about Nightcap is that it has tea tree, lavender, and Nag Champa essential oils. These oils not only contribute to the conditioner's enticing scent, which is amazing, but it also provides calming aromatherapy benefits. Prepare to de-stress, sleep better, and relax before bed. Something we all probably could use a little bit more of. This is gonna also enhance your beard's health, so it's a win-win. So if you have a beard and are ready to transform it into its softest, most manageable state yet, Nightcap is a must-have. We back it and everything we do here at Live Bearded with a lifetime warranty and money-back guarantee. If you aren't pleased with anything you ever experience with us, just let us know and we'll make it right. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching till the end and for your support. It truly means the world to us. Hit the subscribe button for more beard content if you enjoyed this. Here at Live Bearded, our mission is to help beardsmen look, feel, and be their best. So if you ever need anything at all, shoot us an email, call, text. If you're in Arizona, stop on by and we're happy to help. Thanks again for watching, and as always, live bearded.